Now, radical number 196. Now means bird, and it is a bird related radical used in different bird names. It also looks like a bird. Now we see all HSK vocabulary related to this radical. Bird on a mountain is niao. Niao means island. Niao you, it means islands or islets. This is plural of niao. Bird with yo is chi. Chi means hen or chicken. Chi tan, egg of hen. Ming, bird with mouth is ming. Ming means to cry, cry of birds, animals or insects. It also means to make sound. Kung ming, resonance, the reinforcement or prolongation of sound. Bird with ya is ya. Ya means duck. Khao ya, roast duck. Bird with kh is g. G means pigeon. Major word for now are ch or chun. For example, for saying one bird or a bird, we can say ich now. A flock of birds, we will say ichun now. You can download this practice sheet from description box.